Hello, my name is Kobe Jackson, and I'm here with Soccer News. And I'm here to talk about this month. As this month, everyone knows, it's March Madness. So everyone's pumped up about the basketball games that are going on right now. And I thought, why don't we talk about something other than sports? A lot of people don't know that there are newly discovered hormone mimics in the effects of exercise. Scientists at the UCA Leonard Davis School of Dermatology have discovered a new hormone that fights the weight gain caused by a high-fat Western diet and normalizes the metabolism, effects commonly associated with exercising. And a lot of people don't exercise because sometimes it is really hard, and some people think, I'll do it later, and we procrastinate, but they found something that could actually help us with that. They said to test the effects of the MOTSC, the team injected the hormone into mice fed at a high-fat diet, which typically causes them to grow obese and develop a resistance to insulin. The injections not only suppress both effects in mice, they also reverse age-dependent insulin resistance, a condition that precedes diabetes. So they're talking about this new thing that helps with other people to get fat. And they tested with mice, and they realized that exercising is really hard because of all the things that's happening today with all the fast foods, how they make food look really appealing, and it's just really bad because the things that you see on the ads sometimes they're not always the things that you may get. You may see in the commercials like the new brioche bun at Wendy's. It looks so beautiful, but when you get it, it may look all soggy in the wrapper, and you're like, I didn't pay for this. I paid for the thing that's on the screen. But when you taste it, you still have that image in your mind from that brioche bun that you saw in the commercial. So you're still thinking about that brioche bun. So when you taste it, you're like, it may not look what it looks right now, but they said on Wendy's it looked like that. So I'm just going to think it's that. So I'm just going to eat it. And most of the time, people keep coming back because they think that the commercials change your mind and they make you believe that most of the stuff that you eat is good for you, and most of the time it's really not. You also, on the menu, about how biology inspires ideas for improving lithium and ion batteries. Teeth, bones, snail shells, and bird eggs are formed via a process called biomineralization. Found across all kingdoms of life, this method of incorporating minerals like calcium or silica into hard tissues is clearly very useful in nature. The concept is so powerful that researchers are now working on applying it to the rather unnatural environmental found within lithium-ion batteries. Organisms build mineralized tissues like shells and bones with the help of proteins or peptides, which are organic molecules made by the cells of all living things. The specialized peptides involved in the formation of snail shells and other mineralized tissues are also able to bind the particular inorganic molecules needed to create the tissue and hold them in place. Disaggregation of electroactive and conductive material, which currently results in loss of conductivity and low performance of some batteries. New way of making the ion batteries better, we can all use ion batteries more because they tend to run out really quickly. So with this new process, they're going to incorporate with the animals via biomineralization. They're going to use that to incorporate it with the ion batteries and make the life even longer. So hopefully you'll be seeing that very soon because the graduate from Maryland College, she seems to be on a good roll. Next we have, also I'm going to talk about how Great Barrier Reef corals eat plastic. Researchers in Australia have found that corals commonly found in the Great Barrier Reef will eat microplastic pollution. If microplastic pollution increases on the Great Barrier Reef, corals will be negatively affected as their Researchers in Australia have found that corals commonly found in the Great Barrier Reef will eat microplastic pollution. If microplastic pollution increases on the Great Barrier Reef, corals could be negatively affected as their tiny stomach cavities become full of independent plastic, Dr. Hugenboom says.